What is the least number which can be exactly divided by 64, 84, and 96? So we are going to get the factor of, we're going to get the factor of 60. We're also going to get the factors of 84 and 96. So let's start with 60. So because we have 0 here, 2 can divide 60 without a remainder. So 2 into 60 is going to give us 30. Then we go again, 2 into 30 is going to give us 15. 3 can go. 3 into 15 is going to give us 5. And then 5 can only be divided by itself and 1. So 5 divided by 5, you have 1. So we've gotten the factors of 60 as what? 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. So let's get the factors of 84. So the factors of 84, of course, we know 2 can go. 2 into 8 is going to give you 4. 2 into 4 is going to give you 2. 2 can also go. 2 can go into 42. 2 into 4 is going to give you 2. 2 divided by 2 is going to give you 1. So at this point, 3 can go. So 3 into 27 is going to give you 7. And of course, 7 can only be divided by itself and 1. So we go again. We're going to do that of 96. So what can go? 2 of course can go into 96. It is going to give us 48. 2 into 4 is going to give us 2, and 2 into 8 is going to give us 4. 2 can go again. 2 divided by 2 is 1. 2 divided by 4 is 2. So 2 can also go again. 2 into 12 is going to give us 6. And 2 can also go into 6 to give us 3. And 3 can only be divided by itself and 1. So we've gotten the factors. Now let's write the factors of 84. So the factors of 84 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. The factors of 96 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2, 2, 4, 5 times 2 times 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times 2 times 3. So now that we've gotten the factors, now we are going to pair them. 2 is common in all 3 numbers. 2 is common, and also we have another 2 common. So we have 3 common here. So we select it. 3 is common. Right, so we are going to write down the common factors. So the common factors are 2 times 2 times 3. Then the non-common factors, we have the non-common factors. Non-common factors. So this is, we have 5 and we have 7. We have 2, so we have 2 by 2 by 2 by 5 by 7. Okay, so now we are going to multiply them out. So we're going to start with 2 times 2 is going to give us 4. 4 times 3 is going to give us what? 12. So we're going to do 12 times 2 is going to give us what? 24. So we do 24 times 2 is going to give us what? 48. 48. So we go again. We do 48 48 times 48 times 2 is going to give us what? 96. Okay, so we go again. We're going to do 96 times 5. That is going to be what? 480. Then we do 480 by 7. That is going to give us what? 3,360. So therefore the LCM of 64, 84 and 96 is 3,360. So that's the LCM. Thank you. Factors of 60 to be 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. And we already know our factor for 84 to be 2 times 2 times 3 times 7. And we already knew our factor of 96 to be 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 2 by 3. So now we are going to take the highest number of each factor. We're going to start with 2, right? So we're going to look at how many times does 2 appear more. Let's see where it appears the most. So 2 appears the most in 96, right? So 2 appears the most. Appears how many times? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 appears the most. It appears 5 times in 96. Right, so we'll take it. So we will take 2 of 5 times. Do you understand? So 3, let's go to 3. How many times does 3 appears the most? Let's see. So 3 appears, we'll take 1 because since it appears in 60, it appears in 84, it appears in 96. So we're just going to take 1, right? So it appears in all the numbers, so we'll just take one of the 3. So 3 appears in all numbers. So we will take 1 of 3. So let's go to 5. Right? So 5 appears just 1 in 60. 5 appears in 60. The next number is what? The next factor is 7. 7 appears, sorry, just 1 appears in 84. So the LCM, will be 2 times 2 times 2. Like you said, it appears 5 times. So we're going to write the 5, the 2 of 5. Do you understand? 1, 2, 2 times 2. Then we go to 3. So 3 appears in each of them. So we're picking just one of the 3. So we pick 3. Then let's see. What about 5? 5 is just 1. So we take 5. What about 7? 7 is just 1. We take 1 of the 7. So we're going to multiply step by step. So we will multiply step by step. Is that clear? So in doing that, we're going to have it as, so we'll come over here. We have 2 times 2. We're going to take it step by step. So 2 times 2, right? It gave us what? 4. So we're going to do the next 2. We have 4 times 2, which is what? 8. So we're going to do 8 times 2, which is going to give us what? 16. We're going to do 16 times 2, which is going to give us what? 32. So we're done with 2. So let's go to 3. So we're going to do 32 times 3, which is equal to what? 96. Right? So now we're going to do 96 times 5. 96 times 5 is going to give us what? 480. So we do 480 times the last factor, which is what? 7. And that's going to give us what? 3,360. So therefore, we'll come over here and we're going to write, okay, so we're going to write that. So the LCM of 60, 84, and 96 is 3,360. So that's our answer. Thank you.